Hello, good morning dear students. In my previous class, I have discussed what is homonym, what are the examples of homonyms. Today, I am going to discuss with you another examples of homonyms. Okay, I already told you what is homonym. Homonyms is nothing but spelling is same, pronunciation is same, and meanings are different are called homonyms. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮೋನಿಮ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗು ಸೇಮ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಬುಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಪೆನ್, PEN pen. This pen is this is a one word. Pen is one word. It's the same pronunciation. This is also pen. This is also pen, and pronunciation is same and spelling is same, but meanings are different. Okay, this is called homonyms. ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ರೀ? homonyms ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವು ಪೆನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್, ಓಕೆ, BOOK book, BOOK book, and another book is there, BOOK book. Okay, one book is nothing but something to read. One book is nothing but something to read, and another BOOK book is nothing but an act of making reservation. An act of making reservation. One book ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಒಂದು ಓದುವಂತ, something to read, ನಾವು ಓದುವಂತದ್ದು book. Next, another book is nothing but an act of making reservation. Okay, for example, one book, BOOK book, something to read. Examples: I have many books. Okay, I have many books. It is a something to read. Example: I have many books. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬುಕ್ ಇದಾವೆ. I have many books. Okay, next example: there are so many books. There are so many books in the library. ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬುಕ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ there are so many books in the library. Okay, this is an example of something to read. BOOK book, its meaning something to read. Okay, next example: I am reading a book. Okay, I am reading a book. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, example: I am reading a book. Okay, the book is a homonym. In this sentence, the book is a homonym. Okay. Next, another book is nothing but an act of making reservation. Another book is nothing but an act of making reservations. For examples: she booked her train ticket. This is also book, okay, but meaning are different. She booked her train ticket. This is also book. This is also book. This book is nothing but something to read. This book is nothing but an act of making reservation. So she booked her train ticket. ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಳು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. She booked her train ticket. This meaning is different. This meaning is different. So next, another example: I booked my train ticket. She booked her train ticket. These are the examples of book homonyms. Okay, book is a homonym. Then another homonym is beer. Beer. Another homonym is beer. One BEAR, beer. One beer is nothing but an animal. One beer, BEAR, beer is nothing but an animal. Another beer is nothing but to tolerate. To tolerate. Another beer same. Word is same, pronunciation is same, but meanings are different. This beer is nothing but an animal. Another BEAR, beer is nothing but to tolerate. One beer ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ animal ರೀ, ಒಂದು animal ಪ್ರಾಣಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು BEAR, beer is nothing but to tolerate. ನಾವು ಸಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, to tolerate. Okay, for example, beer and animals examples: the hunter shoot a bear. The hunter shoot a bear. ನೋಡಿ, ಹಂಟರ್ ಬೇಟೆಗಾರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ, ಬಿಯರನ್ನು ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡಿದ. ದ ಹಂಟರ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಅ ಬಿಯರ್. ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ, ಆ್ಯನ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಬಂತು, ಬಿಯರ್ ಬಂತು, ಕರಡಿ. BEAR, bear is nothing but an animal. For example, the hunter shoot a bear. The hunter shoot a bear. Next, another example, a bear climbed a tree. A bear climbed a tree. Bear, BEAR, bear is nothing but an animal. A bear climbed a tree. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಯರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೀಯನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏರಿತು. ಅ ಬಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ಡ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ಸಾ ಬಿಯರ್. ಐ ಸಾ ಬಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಝೂ. ನಾವು ಬಿಯರನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಝೂ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಮೃಗಾಲಯ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಝೂ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಐ ಸಾ ಬಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಝೂ. ನಾವು ಬಿಯರ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಝೂ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಐ ಸಾ ಬಿಯರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್. ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್. ಐ ಸಾ ಬಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಝೂ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ example, to tolerate example, another bear, BEAR, bear is nothing but to tolerate. Okay, some examples, I cannot bear this pain. I cannot bear this pain. This bear is nothing but to tolerate. This bear is nothing but to tolerate. For example, I cannot bear this pain. ನನಗೆ ಈ ನೋವನ್ನು ಸಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. I cannot bear this pain. Okay. Next example, I cannot bear living alone. I cannot bear living alone. ನನಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ಇರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಸಹಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. I cannot bear living alone. Okay, these are the examples of bear. Bear is a homonyms. Okay, next homonym is can. Okay, next homonym is can. One can is nothing but a metal container. One can, CAN, can is nothing but a metal container. Another can is nothing but able to. Another can is nothing but able to. Okay, one can, a metal container. Examples are, I used oil can in our home. I used oil can, CAN. Can is nothing but a metal container. Okay, meaning is a metal container. I used oil can in our home. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ oil can ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಮೋನೇಮು can. Okay, CAN, can. I used oil can in our home. Next example, 10 cans are there. 10 cans are there in our home. ನೋಡಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, 10 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ರೂಮ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ, 10 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅದಾವ. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, 10 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಕಂಟೈನರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. One can is a metal container, another can is able to. For example, I can do it. I can do it. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I can do it. Can is nothing but able to. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I can do it. Okay. Next example, I can take care of myself. I can take care of myself. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. I can ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. I can take care of myself. Okay. Next example, I can pass the IAS examination. I can pass the IAS examination. ನಾನು IAS ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I can. Okay, can is nothing but able to. Okay, able. I can pass the IAS examination. This is all about the homonyms examples. Thank you.